Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the Nutribullet Triple Prep System NBKS50100 in sleek black, a powerhouse that combines full-size blending, single-serve blending, and food processing all on one convenient base. This innovative system features vessel recognition technology that lights up the precise commands you need for each task, whether you're whipping up a silky smoothie, creamy puree, or homemade nut milk, and its high-performance motor effortlessly powers through chopping, shredding, slicing, and dicing with precision. The food processor attachment comes fully equipped with a 7-cup work bowl, dual-size food pusher, and versatile blades for slicing, shredding, chopping, and even kneading dough, with blades that stack neatly inside the bowl for easy storage. Crafted from super durable, high-performance plastic, the pitchers, processor bowl, and cups are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring both safety and convenience. The 64-ounce blending pitcher features a vented snap-on lid, allowing you to safely blend hot foods like soups and purees, and it includes an easy pour spout to minimize drips and splatters. With simple, precise programs tailored for each vessel, you can confidently select the right mode for any job, making the Nutribullet Triple Prep System an essential addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.